Diminutives are very much used in Spanish, so in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use them, and apart from that I will give you some examples. Come on, come with me. The only thing you need to know is that you have to add two suffixes at the end of the nouns so that you form this diminutive that I was talking about before. So, ITO and ITA. ITO for masculine nouns and ITA for feminine nouns. I will give you the first example. This is an árbol. Árbol is tree. The smaller one, arbolito. Alright? ITO, arbolito. This is a table. In Spanish, mesa. But as it is so small, I can call it mesita, which is very common, mesita. When do I use these diminutives? It's a question of smaller size, that is why I was telling you árbol, arbolito, but also it is a question of affection. For example, mother and her baby. So in this case, we say madre y bebito, small one, eh? And if it is a girl, you can say madre y su bebita. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you.